Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're ready to build. Sign into Google and Open Forms now. Create a new form and immediately name it so responses map correctly. Add a concise description that tells respondents why they should complete it. Next, add your first questions and choose the right type. Short answer for names, multiple choice for single answers, checkbox for multi-select. Once done, set required for critical fields and pick a theme color so the form is recognizable and consistent with your brand. Now build the body. Split content into sections to reduce fatigue and enable conditional flows. Create clear question text and add brief helper text or examples for numeric or formatted answers. Apply response validation for emails, numbers, and length limits so data is clean at collection. Use the three-dot menu to add branching. Send respondents to specific sections based on their answers. This keeps the experience relevant and short, and ensures you collect only the information you need. Finish strong, preview the form and run through every path to confirm branching, validations, and required fields work. Configure settings, collect emails if needed, limit to one response if appropriate, and decide if respondents can edit after submit. Link the form to a sheet for live results and set notifications. If something breaks, check validation rules and section navigation first. Make a quick test submission to identify where logic fails. Then fix the offending question or jump rule and retest.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.